Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. Hope you are all doing well. Our topic for today is SourceTree commits. So let's start. Let's open Safari and search for SourceTree. Once we find the correct website, we will download the necessary files. Next step, I will navigate to GitHub and log in using the correct credential. Feel free to use Bitbucket, GitHub, and any other prefers website for your login. Moving on downloads folder and click on SourceTree and then move to the application folder. Clicking on the continue where you can set up the details. I will click on done directly and finally open the SourceTree software. Next, let's navigate to the advanced setting and add your account details. Choose your host, authenticate properly, and select the key SSH or HTTPS and add account successfully. You can add full name and email under the General section. Moving on GitHub files. I have already added some demo files, so I will clone any one repo and copy the link. Going to new, clone the repo and paste the URL and enter. Choose branch and clone the app. You can check history and open the project directly from the folder. I do some random changes and commit the file changes. You can add message or detail over the commit section and mark as push changes and commit the changes. You need to fill detail only one time, then proceed it. Commit successfully. commit successfully. Commit on GitHub. You can check history and check out the last clone. You can also archive any files from the history. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe channel.